Managing employee IT declarations is a key step in ensuring accurate and compliant payroll processing. In this tutorial, you will learn how to release, lock, review, automate, and manage IT declarations with ease. Let's dive in. Navigate to Payroll, Admin, and Employee IT Declaration. By releasing IT declarations at the start of the year, you give your employees ample time to plan their tax-saving strategies and submit accurate declarations. The Release or Lock tab displays all the locked IT declarations of your employees. The Consider Declarations tab displays all the employees whose IT declarations are pending your review. Let's begin by releasing the IT declarations to the employees. Under the Release Lock tab, from the Status drop-down, select Locked. All the locked IT declarations are now displayed in this section. Use the various filter options to select employees. You can either release IT declarations in bulk or for an individual employee by clicking the Release All or Release Selected button. In the pop-up, select Release to complete the process. Now, employees will receive a notification on their ESS portal to declare their IT savings. Next, let's explore how to lock employees' IT declarations. To ensure accurate monthly payroll processing, lock the IT declarations before the end of each payroll month. Select Released from the Status drop-down and you will find all the released IT declarations listed here. You can lock the IT declarations either for an individual employee or in bulk by clicking Lock Selected or Lock All. Then click Confirm to complete the process. Once locked, employees will no longer be able to submit their declarations. Now let's learn how to consider employees' declarations. Ensure all locked IT declarations are considered before payroll processing. The Consider Declarations section by default shows all IT declarations pending review. You can modify this using the Status drop-down. You can also use filters such as Payroll Date, Employee, and Employee Filter drop-downs to customize your search. To view plan details, click the link on the plan name under the View Declarations column. You can click Consider Selected to review individual IT declarations or Consider All to review them all at once, then click Confirm. The plan is then approved and the employee can view it under the list of declared plans on their ESS portal. You can also lock and consider employees' IT declarations in a single step by locking payroll inputs from the Payroll Overview page for the current month. Click on Payroll Input Lock. A pop-up will appear to lock IT declarations. Click Confirm. The system will then lock and consider the declarations for income tax calculations. After considering the declarations, note that updates may take time to reflect in payroll or taxes. You need to process payroll to view the changes. With that, we come to an end. Please like and subscribe to this channel for updates about our upcoming videos.